Hi everyone, my name is Samir Mahendra from Magic Software, and today I'm going to give you a demo of how we can, using the Magic Data Hub, import data from Ignition via I3X, how we can use our admin console to set data governance rules, how we can use AI agents such as Claude to ask questions about the plant data, and then how we can use the Magic Smart UX Studio to build reports against that data. So let's begin. I'll first import in the data from the Ignition platform. Let me go ahead and log in. Now I'll import from I3X, select our Ignition endpoint, specify the correct username and password, and then run the import. Okay, the import's complete. We see that we brought in 6 schemas. We have various machines and stations, and then we can use the data browser to see the data that was brought in. As you can see, for each machine, we have a reject count and a good count. So what I'm first going to do is go to Claude and ask it, what is the reject count across lines? As you can see, it's given us a breakdown across the 4 lines, and there's a total of 1,813 rejected items. Now I'm going to add in a governance rule using the admin console. I will select the well cells, and I will give no access to all users, except I'll only give access to the admin and cost analyst user and not to the CFO. And go ahead and save this. And then, as you can see, if I return to Claude and ask the same question again, and now we can see that because of the fact that the CFO role can no longer see the well cells, it's only 1,187 rejects. Build a report from the data using the Smart UX. I'll ask it to create a dashboard for me. Okay, so that's done. As you can see, it's created a screen for me with cards for each line. And in this case, my prompt was asking it about the good count per station. I'll go ahead and preview this application. Log in as admin. As you can see, it's showing us the good count per station. Line 2, the admin user has access to the well cells, so we see all the 3 welder good counts. Now if I log out and log in as the CFO user, we can see that line 2 only shows us the QC and frame prep, and it does not show us the well cell. If you'd like more information, please email us at info@magicsoftware.com. Thank you.